When it is time to replace your home's AC system, knowing what to expect can make all the difference. Your installation begins with the arrival of our trained installation professionals, ready to review the project, answer your questions, and walk you through the day's plan. Before any work begins, we take steps to protect your home. Floors, walls, and work areas are carefully covered, and our tools and equipment are organized to keep the installation clean and orderly. Your existing equipment is safely disconnected and removed, with every step handled carefully and according to professional installation standards. Next, your new high-efficiency AC system is carefully positioned, connected, and installed. Our team pays close attention to every detail to help ensure proper operation, efficiency, and long-term performance. Once the installation is complete, we thoroughly test the system, verify airflow and performance, and complete a final quality inspection before presenting the finished installation. We then walk you through your new system, explain how to use your thermostat, review important maintenance information, and answer any remaining questions. Before leaving, we clean the work area and make sure your home is left as clean and orderly as we found it. From the moment we arrive until your new system is running, Art Plumbing, Air Conditioning, and Electric is committed to making your installation experience comfortable, professional, and worry-free.